Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Unboxing. Today I would like to introduce our latest multi-gig switch DMS106XT. As you can see over here, this is the latest multi-gig switch that we're offering to the market right now, and it's the only switch that not available in the market with the 10 gig uplink and 2.5 gig downlink. A perfect solution for your high-speed network at home. Alright. Not only that, it comes with a turbo QoS mode, which you have a priority on the traffic that you need the most. Alright, they will have the highest priority, like your 8K TV, your voice, your maybe a certain words, certain streaming that you need a higher priority. You can actually plug into the port with the highest priority, which I'll show you later. Alright, and this is a model that comes with solid metal casing with the Aurora light. Alright, it's really cool, adding to your trendy home and to your gaming environment. Alright, without further ado, let's do an unboxing right now. Alright, as you can see, this is a box right now, and I say this is the Aurora light. And yeah, I forgot, this has been a Red Dot winner for 2021. Alright, in terms of the design, it's won the award. So you can see there's a cool metal design here. Alright, with the turbo mode, multi-LED. Alright, when you turn on turbo mode, there will be a multi-LED. If you turn off the turbo mode, it will be in pure cool white color. Okay, there is totally fanless silent operation, so that it will not disturb your environment even you put inside your room. And of course, when we say put inside the room, you may have concern that the light may be affecting your sleep. No worries, you can turn off all the light with the switch behind, so it will not impact your sleeping when you are asleep in the night. Alright, as I say, it's a multi-gig, power efficient. Green technologies implement into this to save the electric power energy. Alright, and it is solid metal casing with all the QoS. Okay, so you can see that it's actually very suitable when you are running a multi-design at home, or even in the office environment, or you are doing a lot of gaming, a lot of 8K streaming. This is a perfect solution for your home right now, or even in your office. Okay, now let's open and show you more detail on the device itself. Okay, you can first of all slide out the sleeve. Okay, and we'll do an opening right now. Okay, once you open, you see a quick QIG. All right, then of course the switch itself, DMS106XT. Okay, as you can see here. Alright, it's made of very solid metal. Okay, as you can see. And behind you can see all the different ports. Okay, so it comes with a 10 gig port, as you can see. Alright, it comes to a 10 gig port. Alright, one uplink 10 gig port and 2.5 gig downlink port. Alright, guys, to add on, so most of the device right now is actually support 1 gig, but this device can actually support 2.5 gig with your existing Cat5 cable environment. Okay, so you can maximize the speed itself. Then you can see all the switch behind. Alright, example, this one is to turn off or turn on the light. This one is a turbo mode. You can switch on and switch off. Okay, then as you can see, this one is the 10 gig outlink, and this one is all the 2.5. Alright, so if you turn on the turbo mode, alright, the highest priority will be on port 1. So for time critical device like 8K streaming, your voice, the thing that you need the most critical and high priority, you can use the port 1, then follow on port 1, port 2, port 3. So the highest priority will be 1, followed by 2, 3, alright, and so far and so on, all the way to the 5. Okay, and of course the highest priority will be 10 gig link when you use as a backbone. So as I said just now, this is not only suitable for your home, it's actually great suitable in the office environment also. Alright, then okay, let us see what else inside the box. Okay, so of course, power adapter. Alright, with the 2 type of adapter, UK or EU, depend on your requirement. Some of them may prefer EU, some may prefer UK. Alright, so both come with it. Let me put. Alright, so it's just very simple. So basically it's the power adapter, the QIG, and the device itself. Alright, so so you may heard me talk about high speed. Is it real? 2.5 gig, and what is that? No worries, it is real. I'll do a performance testing on the speed itself to let you take a look. It can really support up to 2.5 gig. So please hold a second. So some of y'all may say, hey, what happens if I'm using an existing laptop or system that do not support 2.5 gig? I only have a 1 gigabit UTP. Don't worry, I thought of a solution for you, right? D-Link, we have introduced another one, what we call DUB E250. Basically, this is an adapter that converts a Type-C to 2.5 gig port, alright? So you can see, this is a Type-C, and you can plug into your laptop, your PC, and here we're able to support 2.5 gig, alright? This is really a perfect solution together with DMS 106. Okay, so now let me do a quick test for you to show you that how the performance of this multi-gig router will be. Hi guys, so I have power on the device for you to take a look. Alright, so now I've already plugged in the power, and you can see now actually it's in pure white color, so the turbo mode is not on. Okay, when the turbo mode is not on, all the port will have equal priority. That means all the port are treated as equal, there's no priority. But if you need a priority, you can turn on the turbo QoS mode, which I will show you right now. Alright, you can see that it becomes aurora lighting, so then the turbo mode is on. Once you turn on the turbo mode, the 10 gig port will have the highest priority. Reason because it's normally used as a backbone. Okay, followed by the port 1. Okay, let me turn over for you to see. Followed by port 1 and so forth, which has a higher priority. As I said just now, let's say this switch is located in your bedroom and the light is a bit, a bit distracting for your sleep, you can actually turn it off. Let me show you right now. Alright, so you see there's no light at all. So, and you can, if you quietly and listen, there's no fan sound. So there's no noise disturbance or light disturbance affecting your sleep. So this is a perfect solution, even located in your bedroom. Alright, so let me do a quick testing on the performance for you to take a look. So before I start testing on this DMS 106 ST, let me use a normal unmanaged gigabit port to show you the speed first. Alright, this is a normal gigabit port. I plug out the system for testing. Alright, as you can see, there's a two. One is connected to my server and one is connected to my laptop testing. So now let us take a look at the speed itself. Alright, you can see here, okay, it's running at a full speed of 980 over or 60 over on the wired throughput on the gigabit. That's a typical performance on most of the wired gigabit unmanaged switch. You can see here it's around 960 or 980 fluctuating. Alright, that's the throughput. So you can see that the constant is quite consistent on the 900 plus. Alright, so that is the performance of the normal gigabit router. Okay, so let us now change to a this DMS 106 to let you take a look at the 2.5 gig. Alright, performance, how would it be? Alright, okay, I will switch over I will plug over a cable to this device. Before that, let me turn on the light, okay, which I think is much more cooler with the light on. Alright, you can see all the light is on. I on the turbo mode. Okay, now let me switch over the wired. Okay, give a second. Let me turn over. Alright, so now I plug my wire from the Gigabit to DMS 106 ST. Alright, you can see the Aurora lighting and the LED here all is on the port that is connected. So for this case, right, my server is actually connected to a 10 gig port, and my PC, which is doing the testing right now, is connected to a port 1. Okay, so now let me show you the difference between a normal switch and DMS 106 ST. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, let us see. Okay guys, you can see just now it's around 980 over, but now let us see, we are getting a 2.4 gig. Alright, so that is 2400 Mbps, which is around 2.4 times higher than what I get just now. Alright, so it is really a good switch for your daily needs, especially now, you know, when we start to work from home and some of the work we need to require high data transfer, maybe within a household, when you do a lot of video editing, a lot of fast transfer between your NAS. Alright, and if you have a very high broadband or with router that can support up to 10 gig or 2.5 gig port, right, this is even a better solution together with your high-end router. Alright, it's perfectly with all QoS, all the priority. Okay, it's a total solution for your high-speed network at home. That, as I said just now, of course, this is a good solution for your office, right? So it's not only restricted at home, it's good for your office when you have all the switch and you need a high port, high density port, high speed port for your office. This guy can serve its need also in your office. Alright, so as you see, consistent performance at 2.4 gigabit. Alright, okay, this dropped because my program already stopped, so I restart the program. My colleague helped me restart the program. Because you see that it's really at a good performance as 2.4. So as I said just now, no worries if you only have gigabit. Alright, you can pair together with our Type C to 2.5 gig DUB E250 as a perfect 2.5 gig solution. Okay guys, today will be an ending for our unboxing and introducing on our DMS106ST. Hope you like it, and it's not available in market, so please feel free to shop online or physical store for this device right now. Till then, I'll see you in the next unboxing time. Bye bye.